Good morning to all of you. Myself, Jasing, Assistant Professor, Department of Hotel Management. Today we discuss topic difference between travel agent and tour operator. Historically, the tour operator has mostly emerged from retail travel agency. However, today clear distinction must be made between a travel agency and a tour operators. Essentially, essentially, a travel agent is a retailer and tour operator is a wholesaler. The travel agent is a retailer because he sells the travel services to the final consumers, that is, the tourist directly. But unlike the travel agency, the tour operator is a manufacturer of the tourism product. He plans, organizes, sells, and conducts the tours. He acts as a wholesaler. Also, sometimes because he has engaged travel agents as middlemen, sell his package tour in different territories. The figure 1.1 makes amply clear the flow of travel services from supplier to the tourist. Moreover, the role of travel agents and tour operator in the tourism market is well defined. In fact, due to the strategic alliances and world integrations, this distinction is meaningless as both are performing similar functions. First suppliers, the hotel transport companies, travel agents, and tourists. Next supplier, your operator, prepares a package and travel. Next one is travel agent and tourist. The main difference is a travel agents usually sell to end users on behalf of travel vendors. The tour operators plans almost each and everything related with tour packages. The tour operators are specialized in dealing with especially one country, one destination at a time. But there is no specialization in the case of travel agent. The most of the cases, some travel agents work directly with tour operators and provide the tour operators with the information of clients. The travel agents gets permit to work from respective tour operator, either private or public, while tour operators requires license from the Ministry of Tourism. Becoming a travel agent does not require so much time and money as compared to tour operators. The tour operator is directly responsible to the regulatory authorities, while travel agent is first responsible to the clients and then to the tour operators. The main source of income of travel agent is commissions and the and other reserves, while a tour operator earns profit by providing services product to the clients, and he also earns commissions from different travel vendors like hoteliers, transporters, airlines, cruise companies, and destination companies, and etc. Thank you, everyone. If you like our content, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel RPIT Academics.